Welcome aboard. This is your captain speaking. Hey everyone, welcome to Future Tech Pilot. I'm Nolan and I want to help you use the most amazing app in the world, Midjourney. This video is going to be really simple. We're just going to go over the basic commands you can do with this bot and how you can draw absolutely anything with the help of the AI. So once you have a Discord account, this is what Discord looks like. On the left here, you'll see other servers, and here's the Midjourney logo, so we're going to click on that. If you're absolutely new, you can come down here to the newcomer rooms and join a newbie channel. One of the coolest parts about Midjourney is that it's all public, so anything you create, other people will see, and you get to see what other people create. It's pretty amazing. European truck with white trailer on Electric Avenue. What a great prompt. All these different words and places to type, places to talk to other people, they're called channels. So you can come down here to general. There's 20 general channels. Just being around these chat rooms will inspire you and show you what you can create with Midjourney. Pretty beautiful stuff. You're gonna go down here and you're going to talk to the bot just like you would talk to anyone else. You're gonna type in this little message box down here. What's the first thing you can do? And basically the only thing you're gonna want to do is hit the magic backslash button on your keyboard. Now that's gonna bring you a list of things that you can use. Now this isn't everything you can type in, but for the purpose of basic commands in Midjourney, you're going to be using imagine. So you're going to say imagine a cloud of bumblebees. You're going to say imagine concept art for the world's first fire-fueled car. No, that doesn't make any sense. You know, the best part is you can write whatever you want. Backslash, imagine, prompt, and now type whatever you want. It can literally be anything. I'm going to go with a Google robot from the 1840s. What do you think it's going to come up with? Maybe this is a good time to explain fast mode versus relax mode. Fast mode is within 30 seconds you'll have your picture. Although this does cost GPU power, it costs the company money, which means it will cost you money, so you only have a certain amount of fast hours per month no matter what subscription you're on. But if you pay for Midjourney, or $30 a month, you get unlimited relaxed hours. So in relax mode, it takes a little longer, but you have unlimited amount of prompts. And the reason it takes longer is because you're going to get into a line with everybody else who uses relax mode. So while we're waiting, why don't we take a look at some of these prompts from other people. Realistic cute green alien face with the skin of a cactus with spines all over its skin. 8K photorealistic high resolution detailed green spiky skin octane render portrait. Midjourney will give you 4 variations on your prompt. Then within these 4 variations you can either choose to upscale or pick more variations of one you like. Upscaling will add a ton of detail to your image. I mean a ton. You know, maybe this one's pretty cool but not quite cute. This one maybe looks like a llama, not really what you were looking for. Same thing over here, not the cutest, but this one is just adorable. You can either upscale it with U2, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this case, he chose V2, which will give him 4 more variations on this particular image. You'll get 4 more that kind of look like this and will look nothing like these 3. This is amazing. Looks like a cactus. I like this, how it's going farther up his face, kind of looks like more skin. Anyways, you're gonna scroll until you notice a message was sent to you. So the bot will tag you in any message that is meant for you. Wow, so you'll see it's got this yellow marker. A Google robot from the 1840s. What an amazing bot this is. Literally world changing. Can't believe how cool this is. Now let's say we like this more realistic one. We could choose V4 and get 4 more that look like that. Let's say we like this one. We could choose V1 and get 4 more that look just like that. Where did my bots go? Sometimes the chat will do this, which is honestly, it makes the private message worth it in my opinion. I have a hot tip though for how to find your messages. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, because it doesn't say here, you're gonna look at something above you at 12:58 p.m. That's your time code. If you get lost on the chat page, look for that time code. What are we gonna choose here? You know what? I would like to see an upscale of number 3, and you know, normally it's supposed to, oh, there it goes, turns blue, sometimes takes a second. I'd like to see variations on number 2 and variations on number 4. And like, maybe you want to see variations on number 1. The cool part about being in an open chat room like this is that if you see something you like from someone else, you can click on theirs and get variations on what they've done, or you can get an upscale on what they've done. Space Yachts SF, don't know what that means. Too cinematic yet realistic bird view Japan animation HD wallpaper. Pretty amazing. He chose V3. He likes this one the most. Honestly, I kind of like this one, and I like this one. So just for fun, I'm gonna hit V4. Oh my god, look at these. Leviathan from Hellraiser by Peter Bruegel. Epic cinematic view, ultra realistic details, realism, Arnold render, volumetric post-process. Look at these beauties. Oh my gosh. Do you know how long it would take a human to create this? You know, I'm not an artist, but I'll tell you what, it's more than 30 seconds. So we're gonna scroll until we find a little yellow message, but we're gonna get distracted by an ancient Slavic pagan helmet, blue, white, red, in Tron movie style, futuristic detailed. Holy cow. Oh my god, I would love to see the 2. And and I'd love to see all of them, but we're going with 2. Oh my gosh, what the? How did it do this? It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Quick update, see, I'm trying to keep this video focused on just the basics. I've explained that you can upscale any of the 4. I've explained that you can get variations on any of the 4. But this little button right here, I guess it looks like a refresh button. What it'll do is it will re-roll the prompt. So you'll get 4 more variations based on your prompt, not necessarily based on any of these. Okay, that's great. Now I can explain another part of the basic commands. Backslash. The second one from the top, we're gonna look at info. It's gonna tell us a bunch of different things that are really helpful. Look at this. We got our subscription, our standard, job mode, relax, fast time remaining, 0.01 of 15 hours, aka 0.09%. So, I don't have any more fast time remaining until August 10th. I've made 5,717 images in 3.5 weeks. Queued jobs, none. You can have up to 10 queued jobs and 3 jobs running at all times. I just heard a beep, which means one of our images is ready. Boom. Space Yachts. Oof, love these. Love this one. Looks amazing. You know, let's upscale that. Let's see what that bad boy looks like. Going YouTube. Baby Groot in a bottle. Awesome. I'll go over quickly. I've mentioned relax and fast mode. If you want fast mode, you type in /fast. It'll switch you to fast mode. Then once you exhausted your fast hours, incremental billing will apply. To turn this off, use /relax. Now, I think it's like $4 for an hour worth of GPU time, and an hour worth of GPU time is approximately 60 images. Variations don't cost very much. It costs like 0.3 of a GPU minute, but upscaling costs like 1 GPU minute. So you can get about 60 upscales for $4. So we're gonna make sure we're not in fast mode, and we're gonna type in /relax. Hey, Midjourney, relax, okay? Okay, pal? Okay, maybe there's one more thing I can show you. But let's say we made this picture a month ago and we've been looking for it, and you're never gonna find it in the chat room, right? But you find it in your gallery online. What you can come and do is hit these little ellipses, go to copy job ID, not the prompt, not the command. You want to copy job ID. We're gonna go back into Discord, we're gonna go / and we're gonna hit show. Hit enter, it's gonna fill in job ID, and then we can hit Control V and we can paste the job ID. What this is gonna do is load up the picture into the chat, and from here we can hit make variations, we can upscale it even farther. And since we're here, I can now show you what reacting with an emoji will do. If you have a subscription to Midjourney, you can use the envelope emoji to create a private message with the bot. Boom. We go up here, Midjourney bot, and we have the picture sent to us in a private message back to the channel. Another emoji you can use is X, and that will delete the picture. Let's do an example. We're gonna hit make variations, and we're gonna hope that nothing good comes up, because I don't want to delete something good. Shout out to this guy for making prompts with short, bald guys. Okay, you know, those are pretty cool, but let's just pretend we didn't like the pictures. We're gonna add a reaction, and we're gonna hit the X button. Now it should be deleted, it should disappear from here, but taking its sweet time. I showed you info, I showed you imagined, I showed you help, I showed you fast relax. I'll go into much more detail about quality, stylize, the different aspect ratios, how to craft your prompts. I'll do all that in other videos, but for now, I hope you learned a little something about the basic commands for Midjourney. Take care, and I'll see you next time.